Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Stylize filters in Photoshop. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is select the layer that you want to stylize. Then go to Filter and Stylize. Here we have 9 Stylize filters. Let's go through them all. The first one we have is Diffuse. This filter gives an almost distorted look to your picture. You have 4 modes. The normal one, the darken only, which only affects the darker parts of your picture, the lighten only, which does the opposite of that, and the anisotropic one, which gives your picture an almost blurred look. When you're happy with your selection, you can press OK to apply the filter to your image. The next one we have is Emboss. This makes your picture look like it's engraved in a stone cave. You can choose the angle of the effect, the height, and the amount. Next we have Extrude. This filter will generate blocks or pyramid that are popping out of your image. Let me show you so you can understand better. Now let me go through the settings and explain to you what each one does. There are 2 types, blocks, which I just showed you, and pyramids. Let me show you the pyramids. You can select the size of your blocks or pyramids. And as you can see, the faces of the blocks are just part of the image. If you want the blocks to be one-colored, what you're going to do is select solid front faces. As you can see, all the blocks are solid color now. And if you look at the edges, you can see the original picture. If you want these parts of the image to be filled as blocks as well, you're going to want to unselect the mask incomplete blocks. Voila. The next filter we have is Find Edges. This filter will accent your edges and turn the rest of the image into white. Next filter we have is Oil Paint, which, as the title suggests, turns your image into an oil painting. Here you have a few settings you can adjust: the stylization, the cleanliness, the scale, the bristle detail, and the lighting. You can turn this off or turn it on for a more realistic painting look. You can also choose the angle and the shine at which the light comes. The next filter we have is Tiles. This will turn your image into tiles, as the title suggests. Here you can choose the number of tiles. I'm going to put this as 30. The maximum offset, which I'm going to leave as 10. Here you can choose what you want the empty areas to be filled out with. I'm going to put it as background color. The next filter we have is Trace Contour. This is similar to the Find Edges one. This will make the rest of your image white while leaving the edges in color. You can choose the level, and if you want the edge to be upper or lower one. The last filter we have is the Wind, which, as you can guess, creates this windy effect on your image. You have 3 methods: Wind, Blast, and Stagger, and you can choose if you want the direction to come from the right or from the left. This filter is good if you want a glitchy effect on your photo. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.